In-HIN-NIN verbs, examples 51 to 75. Root word, kain. Kain. Infinitive form, kainin. Kainin, meaning to eat something. Present tense, kinakain. Kinakain, eating. Past tense, kinain. Kinain, ate. Future tense, kakainin. Kakainin, will eat. Root word, kuha. Kuha. Infinitive form, kunin. Kunin, meaning to get something. Kinukuha. Kinukuha, getting something. Kinuha. Kinuha, got something. Kukunin. Kukunin, will get something. Root word, lakad. Lakad. Infinitive form, lakarin. Lakarin, meaning to walk a distance. Nilalakad. Nilalakad, walking. Nilakad. Nilakad, walked. Lalakarin. Lalakarin, will walk a distance. Root word, ligpit. Ligpit. Infinitive form, ligpitin. Ligpitin, meaning to gather or put things together in a safe place. Nililigpit. Nililigpit, gathering, putting together in a safe place. Niligpit. Niligpit, gathered or put together. Liligpitin. Liligpitin, will gather or will put together things in a safe place. Root word, linis. Linis. Infinitive form, linisin. Linisin, meaning to clean something. Nililinis. Nililinis, cleaning. Nilinis. Nilinis, cleaned. Lilinisin. Lilinisin, will clean. Root word, lunok. Lunok. Infinitive form, lunukin. Lunukin, meaning to swallow something. Nilulunok. Nilulunok, swallowing. Nilunok. Nilunok, swallowed. Lulunukin. Lulunukin, will swallow. Root word, luto. Luto. Infinitive form, lutuin. Lutuin, meaning to cook something. Niluluto. Niluluto, cooking something. Niluto. Niluto, cooked. Lulutuin. Lulutuin, will cook something. Root word, mahal. Mahal. Infinitive form, mahalin. Mahalin, meaning to love someone. Minamahal. Minamahal, loving someone. Minahal. Minahal, loved someone. Mamahalin. Mamahalin, will love someone. Root word, mura. Mura, it means cuss. Infinitive form, murahin. Murahin, meaning to cuss someone out. Minumura. Minumura, cussing. Minura. Minura, cussed. Mumurahin. Mumurahin, will cuss someone out. Root word, nakaw. Nakaw. Infinitive form, nakawin. Nakawin, meaning to steal something. Ninanakaw. Ninanakaw, stealing something. Ninakaw. Ninakaw, stole something. Nanakawin. Nanakawin, will steal something. Root word, pasok. Pasok. Infinitive form, pasukin. Pasukin, meaning to enter into a room. Pinapasok. Pinapasok, entering a room. Pinasok. Pinasok, entered. Papasukin. Papasukin. Will enter. Root word, patay. Patay. The word patay has two meanings in Tagalog. If you're referring to a person, it means dead. But if you're talking about a machine or an equipment, it means turned off or off. Infinitive form, patayin. Patayin, meaning to kill someone or to turn off something. Pinapatay. Pinapatay, killing or turning off. Pinatay. Pinatay, killed or turned off. Papatayin. Papatayin, will kill or will turn off. Root word, pigil. Pigil. Infinitive form, pigilin. Pigilin, meaning to stop someone from doing something. Pinipigil. Pinipigil, stopping someone. Pinigil. Pinigil, stopped someone. Pipigilin. Pipigilin, will stop someone from doing something. Root word, pili. Pili. Infinitive form, piliin. Piliin, meaning to choose someone or something. Pinipili. Pinipili, choosing. Pinili. Pinili, chose. Pipiliin. Pipiliin, will choose. Root word, pitas. Pitas. Infinitive form, pitasin. Pitasin, meaning to pick a flower or a fruit. Pinipitas. Pinipitas, picking. Pinitas. Pinitas, picked. Pipitasin. Pipitasin, will pick. Root word, plancha. Plancha, it means flat iron. Infinitive form, planchahin. Planchahin, meaning to iron clothes. Pinaplancha. Pinaplancha, ironing clothes. Pinlancha. Pinalancha, ironed clothes. Paplanchahin. Paplanchahin, will iron clothes. Root word, puno. Puno, meaning full. Infinitive form, punuin. Punuin, to fill up a container. Pinupuno. Pinupuno, filling up a container. Pinuno. Pinuno, filled up a container. Pupunuin. Pupunuin, will fill up. Root word, sabi. Sabi. Infinitive form, sabihin. Sabihin, to say something to someone. Sinasabi. Sinasabi, saying. Sinabi. Sinabi, said. Sasabihin. Sasabihin, will say something to someone. Root word, saksak. Saksak. Infinitive form, saksakin. Saksakin, meaning to stab someone. Sinasaksak. Sinasaksak, stabbing. Sinaksak. Sinaksak, stabbed. Sasaksakin. Sasaksakin, will stab. Root word, sagot. Sagot, it means answer. Infinitive form, sagutin. Sagutin, meaning to answer someone's question. Sinasagot. Sinasagot, answering. Sinagot. Sinagot, answered. Sasagutin. Sasagutin, will answer. Root word, salubong. Salubong. Infinitive form, salubungin. Salubungin, meaning to meet someone coming from the opposite direction. Sinasalubong. Sinasalubong, meeting someone. sinalubong, sinalubong, met someone. Sasalubungin, sasalubungin, will meet someone coming from the opposite direction. Root word, salungat, salungat. Infinitive form, salungatin, salungatin, meaning to oppose or go against someone. Sinasalungat, sinasalungat, opposing. Sinalungat, sinalungat, opposed. Sasalungatin, sasalungatin, will oppose or will go against someone. Root word, sanay, sanay. It means being used to something. Infinitive form, sanayin, sanayin, to practice something. Sinasanay, sinasanay, practicing. Sinanay, sinanay, practiced. Sasanayin, sasanayin, will practice something. Root word, saway, saway. Infinitive form, sawayin, sawayin, meaning to stop someone from doing something. Sinasaway, sinasaway, stopping someone. Sinaway, sinaway, stopped someone. Sasawayin, sasawayin, will stop someone from doing something. Root word, sayaw, sayaw. It means dance. Infinitive form, sayawin, sayawin, to dance a certain dance. Sinasayaw, sinasayaw, dancing. Sinayaw, sinayaw, danced. Sasayawin, sasayawin, will dance. Examples 76 to 100 of the in-HIN-NIN verbs will be posted in another video. Once we are done studying our 100 examples, we will use them in a sentence to further understand the in-HIN-NIN inflection of these Tagalog verbs. That's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more Tagalog language lessons. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you again very soon. Maraming salamat po!